Another day, another English lesson. It and their as dummy subjects. Hello everyone! In English, every clause normally needs a subject. That is why we cannot say is late. We must say she is late. But sometimes there is no real subject. In these cases, English uses dummy it or dummy there to complete the sentence. Dummy there is used to talk about existence or events. For example, there is a problem. There were 20 people at the meeting. There was a nasty fight. It can also describe location or time. There's a book on the shelf. There'll be an eclipse tonight. Dummy it is used for time, dates and weather. For example, it's nearly 1 o'clock. It's my birthday. It's raining. It's a lovely day. We also use it in expressions like it is plus adjective plus to infinitive or ing. For example, it's nice to meet you. It's great living here. In all these cases, it and their do not refer to anything specific. They simply allow English sentences to have a subject when no real subject exists. Now, you try. Complete the sentences with the dummy it or their. One, A. What do you see in the street? B. There are many people in the street. Two, A. What is the weather like? B. It is cold. Three, A. What do you see in the bedroom? B. There is an open window. Four, A. What time is it? B. It is 3 o'clock. Five, A. What do you see in the garden? B. There is a cat under the tree. A. What is the weather like? B. It is raining outside. Seven, A. What do you see on the table? B. There are some presents on the table. Eight, A. What is the date today? B. It is my birthday. Nine, A. Who do you see coming through the door? B. There are 3 people coming through the door. Ten, A. What day is it today? B. It is Monday. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.